All right, good day. This is Matt Fox again from frictionfreesales.com. One final thing to add if you're going to be creating this Woocommerce shopping cart system, your own personal shopping cart system for maybe on your own site when you're using ActiveMember360, ActiveCampaign, Woocommerce, and Woocurve for the upsells is a lot of shopping cart systems that are out there, Thrivecart and Active Relay and such. They allow you to create these sidebars that you can customize. So kind of give you some little action items, so to speak, some little last minute things to make sure to reinforce the sales, so to speak. And you can do that conditionally with WooCommerce also. And if you go into your widget section in WordPress, now I use this advanced text widget. I love using it. It's one of there are a couple others out there, but this is one that I just happen to use, and so it works well. So why not keep using it, right? But it's an advanced text. You can find it in the WordPress plugin repository out there, and it's called Advanced Text Widget, and it allows you to conditionally show widgets or not show widgets on certain pages. So this is the main widget page. But I can show this on just a page, and I can show this, and it says you can choose your slug, the title of the page, or the ID number of the page. Okay, and I'm going to use the slug on this one because we're going to use the checkout page. And you can choose to suppress the title output, which means that the title up here won't show, but I'm going to let it show on this one. So we're going to do checkout. And the slug is this thing right here, this part of the URL. So you have your main domain right there, and this is the slug right there. Or actually, it would be, let me click here. That's going to redirect, darn it. Bear with me. Well, this would actually be the slug right here, sales page, not shop, because that's the installation that this WordPress install is on the shop WordPress installation. So sales page is the slug. Sorry about that. And so, but I want it to be on the checkout page, not on any other page, but just the checkout page. So it doesn't show over here. This one that says go to your product, checkout product, is the other advanced text widget that I have here. And I have made that one conditional to not show on the checkout page. So when we go to the checkout page, you won't see this go to product link, and you will see this one, which is we're going to do a little what you get. What you get. Okay. And so the one thing we need to do here, because this allows you to write PHP and put code in here. You have to know PHP to do anything with that. And if that scares you, stop. Don't even bother with it. But I'm going to give you the code. I have it right here, and it'll be underneath the video here on this page, on frictionfreesales.com, on the post that this is part of. And this is the PHP code that goes right in there. You have to understand HTML, and you have to know. You don't have to understand PHP too much to use this. You can just copy and paste it in there. But basically, well, here's what you need to know is that what this does here is it runs through a little cart thing, and it says if this is product number 8, and there's two little equal signs, and if the product ID equals 8, then do this stuff here. And then it says else if product ID is 12, then print out this stuff here, echo out, repeat this stuff here. And so you can do this for as many products as you want. All you have to do is go to your products page, and I'm going to open that in another tab here so you can see it. We have product 1, product 2, and if you remember, you can find product 8. Here's the ID right there. Product 2 is product 12 right there. And if I were to add a new product, it would be another number. Okay, and you can continue to use this script based on the number of products. You just would copy this else if here to right there, and I'm going to copy that and then paste it right here. Boom. And let's say the next product is product 25, or let's say 15, whatever it is. Okay. And so this would be product 3. This little thing is a little comment so that it doesn't get read. And then I could echo out whatever I wanted here. Okay. So let me remove the last several things that I just did. And we have all of this good stuff here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this in and paste it over into your advanced text widget. So if this is product 8, it's going to output. I'm going to remove this H4 stuff because we don't need that. That was from my other site where I don't have the titles showing, so I made the own titles on there. And then I'm going to save this, so it's conditional to show only on the page. It's going to show only on checkout page. We're going to save it. And then if I go to click the add to cart for product 1 here, which is what this button does, it'll take us right to the checkout page. And here's what you get. Product 1 stuff, more stuff, ever more stuff. All the things that you see right here, product 1 stuff, except I removed this before I copied it over, or after I copied it over. Product 1 stuff, more stuff, ever more stuff. Okay, so you have to know a little bit about HTML to put those things in here. And if you don't, don't even bother doing this. You can make a different type of checkout page. You can use a landing page if your theme supports it. This is a Genesis theme, which has landing pages. And if you're using a landing page, that means that the sidebar over here wouldn't even show, and you wouldn't have the menus and stuff like that, which are bad for checkout pages anyways, because it gives them things to click off and go somewhere else as opposed to continue buying. But you can continue to conditionally make more items down here, list more things, like I have over on this page here, where I have guarantees, privacy notice, security, things like that to help reassure the customer that they're buying that everything is safe. It's a secure site. They can get refunds. Their privacy is safe, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Everything's listed right here. So I hope that helps. This is a great way to add more things in over here. You could, like I said, add guarantees if you wanted to do that. You could add the pictures if you know how to do that stuff with HTML. You could, product shots and stuff like that over here. Guarantees, the little security symbols, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Cool. Hope that helps you make a few bucks and make your shopping cart a little more friction-free, as I like to say, huh? Have fun.